Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter of the class 4. Let's start chapter number 9, fraction. In this chapter we learn about the fractions. When something, a whole, is divided into the equal part, each part is called a fraction of the whole. Means अगर हम किसी पूरी चीज के इक्वल पार्ट करते हैं, उसे इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं, सो वन पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द होल. Suppose this is a pizza. This pizza is divided into the 4 equal parts. So this one part represent 1/4. 1 for this individual part and 4 for this all the equal parts. So in this way we write the fraction. To write the fraction in a number, we write number of the part we are talking about divided by total number of equal part. अगर हमको equal में fraction लिखना है, so हम fraction में जो top होता है, top पे we write the number of part we are talking about. So suppose we have to write the fraction for this figure. So here the color part are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are shaded, so that's why on a top we write 7. And total number of part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at the bottom we write the 8. So in this way we represent the figure by the fraction. So here 7 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. The number on the top is called as the numerator and number at the bottom is called as the denominator. The number on the top is the numerator and the number at the bottom is denominator. So here 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. जो number हम ऊपर लिखते हैं on the top लिखते हैं, that is called as the numerator and the number that we write at the bottom is called as the denominator. The name of the fraction follows the ordinal name of the denominator. अगर हमको fraction को call करना है, so how can we call? We call the ordinal name of the denominator like 5 7th, 7 11th, 5 6th, 9 10th, इस वे से. Next are like fraction and unlike fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are like fraction. जिनका denominator same होता है उन्हें हम like fraction कहते हैं. So here are some fractions 1/5, 2/5, 4/5. In all those fractions the denominator is 5. So here the total number of part are equal, that is 5, 5, 5. But shaded part are different. So in this type of the fraction in which denominator are same are called as the like fraction. Then unlike fraction with the different denominator, means जिनके denominator different होते हैं, that are called unlike fraction. So for example 4/5, 4/7, 7/10. So here denominator are different. That's why we call them unlike fraction. Next is the proper and improper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. The fraction in which numerator is less than denominator, that are called as the proper fraction. Like the 1/2, 2/3, 3/4. 4/7. In all those fraction numerator is less than denominator. So denominator greater है as compared to the numerator. So ऐसे fractions को हम कहते हैं proper fraction. And in improper fraction numerator is greater than or equal to denominator, like 2/2, 4/4. So in those फ्रैक्शन न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल टू डिनोमिनेटर, न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल टू डिनोमिनेटर, या 3/2, 9/7, इसमें न्यूमरेटर जो ग्रेटर है एज कम्पेयर टू द डिनोमिनेटर। सो इस टाइप के जो भी फ्रैक्शंस होते हैं उसे हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं। सो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन मीन्स न्यूमरेटर is less than denominator and improper fraction means numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Next है mixed fraction. So mixed fraction two parts से बनता है, a whole number and the proper fraction. A fraction made up of whole number and proper fraction is called as the mixed fraction or we called it mixed number. हम उसे mixed number भी कह सकते हैं। So in mixed fraction, the whole number part is called as the integral part. So this is the mixed fraction. यहाँ देखो ये जो 2 है ये whole number part है. So we call this part is called as the integral part. And fraction is called fractional part. ये जो proper fraction है, this is a fraction. तो fraction proper fraction होता है और इस fractional part को हम fractional part कहते हैं. So in 5 integral 3/4, 5 is the integral part and 3/4 is the fractional part. So this is the mixed fraction. Let's solve some question. Change into the mixed fraction. Here we change 23/5 into the mixed fraction. Only the improper fraction can be changed into the mixed fraction. So let's start. When we change improper fraction into the mixed fraction, first we divide numerator by the denominator. जब भी हमको mixed fraction में convert करना है improper fraction को हम numerator को denominator से divide करते हैं. So 23 is divided by 5. So 5 के टेबल में 23 नहीं आता है. So 5 4 20 से पार्ट देंगे हम. 5 4 20. 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. So this is quotient and this is our remainder. So write quotient. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 3 here. Let's convert 23/5 into the mixed fraction. So when we write the mixed fraction, write the denominator as it is. Denominator में कोई भी change नहीं होता है. That's why हमको ये जैसे के वैसे लिखना है. Okay. And at the integral part we write the quotient and at the numerator we write the remainder here. So write denominator as it is. Then quotient in the integral part. Quotient क्या है? 4. So write 4 here and remainder at the numerator. So remainder क्या है? 3. So numerator में आएगा 3. So in this way we convert improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So 23/5 is equal to 4 integral 3/5. इस वे से हम convert करते हैं into the mixed fraction. Next we change into the improper fraction. In this question mixed fraction is given and we have to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So इसमें आपको ये जो mixed fraction इसे convert करना है improper fraction में. So ये जो 4 है that is the integral, 5 is the denominator and 3 is the numerator. ओके. सो फर्स्ट आपको करना होता है कि इंटीग्रल पार्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है डिनोमिनेटर से. ओके. सो मल्टीप्लाई इंटीग्रल बाय द डिनोमिनेटर प्लस न्यूमरेटर होल डिवाइडेड बाय डिनोमिनेटर. ओके. सो यहाँ पे इंटीग्रल पार्ट जो है वो है 4, डिनोमिनेटर है 5. सो 4 into 5 plus 3. 3 is the numerator. Then denominator whole divided by denominator. Then 4 into 5 20. 4 5 are 20 plus 3 upon 5. So 20 plus 3 is 23/5. So in this way we change mixed fraction into improper fraction. एक और प्रॉब्लम हम करते हैं. So first integral into denominator plus numerator whole divided by denominator. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 upon 3. 9 plus 2 कितना होता है? 11/3. So in this way we change mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So this chapter is over here. Thank you.